Hello guys, welcome back to another one. This is a continuation with the series of the 2014 Hyundai Veloster Turbo, and this time we're gonna be working with the headlights. All right, now it's time for the headlights. My uncle is gonna have fun with it. So we're gonna try to clear this out because it's fog and painted too. So we will see what happens. This is how it looks right now, but I have to do this one off camera because we have to redo it again. I don't know if you guys can see all that. That's a sandpaper being too strong, but I already did this one off camera. Look how it looks. I mean, it's a old headlight, but it looks pretty good for me. So I'm gonna be doing that one. After that, I'm gonna be showing you and then putting it in the car. All right, I got the other one ready. I'm guessing that's why it was painted, because I tried my best I sent it down all the way to 5,000. I didn't want to do nothing. I tried so many times. So I'm guessing it's the inside damage. Not sure. But this one looks good, but is cracked. Goes all the way to here. But it looks way better than what it was. So now I'm gonna be putting everything back in so it can be finished with the front end. So it got high beams, but it doesn't got the low beams, halogen, whatever it's called. So I guess I'm gonna have to fix them. But that's it for this episode. We're gonna be continuing with this car. I'm gonna be doing the inside cleaning wise, and then everything else in the outside. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Like, share, and subscribe.